Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apple Pay is designed to be fast, seamless, and almost invisible until the moment it stops working. If your iPhone keeps showing hold near reader, but refuses to complete the payment, you're not alone. This issue is surprisingly common, and the good news is that it can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. First, let's start with the basics. Apple Pay relies heavily on NFC or near-field communication. If your phone case is too thick, contains metal, or uses magnetic attachments, it can interfere with the signal. Removing the case and trying again often solves the problem instantly. Also, make sure you're holding the top edge of your iPhone close to the payment terminal. This is where the NFC antenna is located. Next, check that Apple Pay is actually enabled and set up correctly. Open the Settings app, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm that your card is added and verified. If your card shows any warning signs, remove it and add it again. This refreshes the connection between your bank and Apple Pay, which can resolve hidden authorization issues. Another common cause is software glitches. If your iPhone hasn't been updated recently, Apple Pay may not function properly. Head to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update to install the latest iOS version. Apple often includes important fixes for wallet and NFC performance in these updates. After updating, restart your iPhone to clear temporary system bugs. If the problem continues, try toggling Apple Pay off and on. Go back to Wallet Apple Pay, turn off Apple Pay, restart your iPhone, then enable it again. This simple reset can restore background services that may have stopped working. Also, don't overlook region and payment settings. Ensure your region is set correctly under Settings, a general Sri Languagean region, and that your bank supports Apple Pay in your country. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone. It's a temporary restriction from the bank or the payment terminal itself. Finally, if Apple Pay still won't respond, it may be time to contact Apple support. Hardware issues with the NFC chip are rare, but they do happen, especially if the phone has suffered a drop or water exposure. In most cases, though, one of these steps will fix the hold near reader problem and get Apple Pay working again. Fast, secure, and effortless, just the way it was meant to be.